I'm in my new apartment. Good morning and happy moving day. I am moving to London today, which is so crazy. It doesn't even feel real. I'm clearly still in my pajamas, so let me explain to you guys the plan for today. I am finally moving to London. I feel like this has been so long coming, and I delayed my flight a little bit so that I could get my booster shot. So I'm officially boosted. I'm ready. I feel healthy. And I am going to get on a plane today at 6 p.m. to go to London. So basically it is like around 10:30, 11 right now. I'm heading to the airport in like 4 to 5 hours, just like kind of having a chill day. But I'm so excited for this vlog, you guys. I'm going to be traveling to London. I'm gonna reunite with my boyfriend. I'm gonna see my new apartment for the first time. So I'm literally so excited. It's gonna be such a fun vlog. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am for this video. I'm pretty much fully packed at this point. I have like maybe a couple things that I'm gonna like throw in. I'm doing like one last load of laundry for like some random things. And yeah, I have my airport outfit ready. I'm wearing super cozy, super comfy airport clothes today because it's gonna be such a long travel day. But I'm happy because I got good sleep last night. I slept for like 9 hours, which is pretty good because I woke up like every 1 to 2 hours because I was so excited. I always do this before I have flights, but I'm so excited. Let's go. All right, you guys, I am ready. I just took my shower. I'm in my airport outfit, so I'm just wearing this waffle weave, super soft, kind of cropped top from Abercrombie with these taupe, really cute sweatpants. These are also from Abercrombie, and then I'm just wearing them with my Nike Air Force Ones. These are my new ones. This is a really cozy outfit. I also have the matching sweatshirt for these sweatpants in my bag. I'm also wearing my black coat that's also from Abercrombie. So this whole outfit is from Abercrombie. My backpack is from Kenneth Cole and my suitcase is from Away, if anyone's wondering. And here's what the outfit looks like with my coat on. So this should keep me really warm on the plane. I just realized that my outfit matches my phone case, my backpack, and my suitcase pretty much perfectly. So I actually didn't plan to do this. Yeah, this is my going to London outfit. I'm so excited. So let's head to the airport. Hello guys, I'm at the airport. The lighting is awful because it's literally 9:17 p.m. and I'm about to get on this flight. I have purchased this 1 liter bottle of Dasani for the flight. I'm trying to drink a lot of water on this flight and stay hydrated. Honestly, a red-eye flight, so I'm gonna go fly through the night. I'm gonna arrive in London at 11 a.m. So hopefully I get some sleep on this plane. It's like super empty. Like all the rows around me were pretty much empty the last time I checked. But I'm gonna really pray, guys, that I get 3 seats to myself this time so I can actually sleep and lay out. My bags made it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna meet my boyfriend now. I'm so nervous. I literally have butterflies, you guys. I'm so excited. I just made it. I'm in the bathroom. I have my luggage. I'm kind of sweating because I was having all this heavy coat and everything on, and it's really warm in the airport. But I'm super excited. I think Julian is here, so I'm gonna go out and meet him. Okay guys, I am in my new apartment. I'm so excited. We just arrived and I want to give you guys like a mini tour before I unpack all of my suitcases and do that whole process. It's literally so cute. So let me show you. So it's basically like a studio, but I really like the way that they divided the room. So when you first walk in, this is the little bedroom area and it's so cute. And to the left of the bed is the bathroom, which is so nice. This is like a hotel bathroom. Like, are you kidding me? The shower is so nice. It's like a rain shower head. It has really good lighting in here. There's like a bunch of different lights to turn on. There's lots of storage there and there. And the floors are heated, which is probably my favorite part. And when you walk out here, you get back into the entryway and then the hallway goes into the living space. And we actually have a really large balcony, which I'm not gonna show the view right now just because of privacy reasons, but I'm definitely gonna be doing like yoga and home workouts on this balcony because it's literally so big. But this is the living space. We have a TV and a little table and a coffee table and this couch as well. We also have space here for like a mirror or something, but it's literally so cute. The color scheme is definitely how I like it because it's like lots of neutral and beige, and then the kitchen is on this wall. It's so beautiful. Can we just take a moment for the kitchen? It is like fully stocked. We have the stove, an oven, the fridge, dishwasher, laundry and dryer combo, tons of cabinet space, and I just love the finishing of this countertop. It's literally gorgeous. So I'm so excited to cook here, make cooking content. So yes, this is so cute. I love it. I'm so happy. And I think it's gonna be such a nice place to live. And it's just like really cozy and just modern and clean and simple. So I think this is really gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna take a shower because I'm literally so exhausted. The lighting is so good, even on a cloudy day, which is gonna be amazing, but I need to shower. Then I'm gonna probably take a nap, chill for a little bit. So my boyfriend made some plans for the evening that I don't know yet, but we're gonna do like a little Christmas celebration. My boyfriend was actually supposed to come for Christmas, but he wasn't able to because of COVID. Just things got really insane and we just decided it wasn't the right time to be traveling. We now have all of our Christmas presents that we want to exchange with each other. So we're gonna do a little Christmas celebration and then go to dinner maybe somewhere. I don't know where it'll be, but just have like a little sneak peek of London. Hello guys! We're in London, but I'm really excited! I don't know where we are. It looks really cool though.